Okay, so today we'll be installing the Yahoo Search and New Tab extension on Firefox, aka the Yahoo toolbar. But toolbars are no longer supported on Firefox, so that element will not work. But besides that, let's get into it. Okay, so I'll be doing this on Firefox nightly because I don't want to actually do it on my regular Firefox installation where I have all my stuff. So I'll go to the add-on section and I'll search up Yahoo and it should come up. Yeah, so I'm going to add this to Firefox. Now, one quite suspicious thing is it wants access to your browsing history, which it doesn't really need to. But yeah, because this isn't my main browser, I'll let it do that. Okay, it's going to ask me if it can set my default search engine to Yahoo. I'll say yeah. So it sets a new tab page, which has some quick links, which I'm pretty sure if I click one of these, they're affiliate links, probably. And it has a nice background. These come from Flickr, I think. It has some trending now stuff, which is a bit annoying. And when you search now, because it's set your default thing to Yahoo search, let's say search up Sandro Linux. Yeah, it's gonna be Yahoo search. So yeah, one thing I'm going to do, and which will show the code, is go to About Debugging, and then click this nightly, and then I can look at the code. So as you can see here, it uses a script called tracker.js, which I find quite suspicious. And it asks for quite a few permissions of storage, tabs, web request blocking, cookies. Yeah, these are a lot of permissions to give a very simple extension which just gives you a new tab page and changes your default search engine. So yeah, I don't think this extension is trustworthy, as you can kind of imagine by the fact that it's been bundled into lots of software and people have unwillingly installed this sometimes, which isn't good. So anyway, thank you for watching today's video. I wouldn't trust this extension at all. I wouldn't install it on a Firefox installation, please don't. You can install my extension, SLE, and it requires way less permissions. It only needs access to data from my website, so you know it isn't spying on you. But apart from that, like and subscribe and share. I'm on Pinterest, Google Keen, DailyMotion, TikTok, and LBRY, so you can follow me on them. And goodbye.